Hello everybody, my name is Tanjeet and today we are going to be adding some styles to our little CSS and HTML and JavaScript project. So, before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and feel free to comment what I should do next. Okay, so the way to start styles is first you need to put a style tag. Okay, and you need to close the style tag. Okay, and once you're in here, there are two kinds of styles you can do. First kind of style is a class, so you can just do dot and then your name, so heading, and then open brackets, and then inside this you can just do color, and here just do, for now we'll do red. This is gonna refer to the font color, and to do background color, just do background hyphen color. And these are American stylings, not British, not OUR. So for this, we can do either black. Mind you that for background color to fully work, you need a div tag. I'll explain that in a minute. Okay, so now you can just do class equals, and then your equals, and then you do double quotes, and then just put heading. Okay, and if you save that, I think it will come like this. Okay, and then you can do the other styling I was talking about is an ID tag. So what you do is just a hashtag, and then you do paragraph or something like that. Okay, and then once you open that, you can open and close it, and then here you can just do color, and let's do green, and background color is, let's do I don't know, black as well. Okay, and then here we'll do, this time we do ID equals, and then double quotes again, and paragraph. Okay, let me save it, go to this, refresh, and then it'll come like this. Okay, so then next, that is the basic styles. Okay, next we will create a div, like I said before. Then you can, to create now I'm gonna show you how you can create like lines and new different thing. So to create a break, basically a empty block, just do br, and then to create a line you can do hr. Okay, these are one-off tags, so you do not need to do anything. So to show the difference, I'll put a hr on top as well. Okay, and then after that I'll just do two hrs on its own to show you. Okay, so there you can see the break, and these are without the break. Okay, so break is roughly this much, and from the heading to a paragraph, it would, by default, it would create a break. Okay, so that is your basic HTML. So now let us go to a div. So let's wrap it in a HR, then we just do div. Okay, now that we got div, there is another thing. It is also a bit, it's a bit not used much, but it's for every single div. So just type div, and then you can open close. This will mean that every single div will have this styling. So if you just do background color, and let's put blue. Okay, then every single div will be with the background color blue. Right now it might not show because there's nothing in the div. You need something in there. So right now, in mind you, in the div tag you do not need to put anything like an ID or class because it's just a div attribute. Okay, so let's just do you can put anything in a div like an image or anything. I'll come to images later. Let's just do hello. Okay, for now you can see the color has not changed because I didn't make it to change to anything, but the background color is blue. So now, yes, that is what I can make it black and make the font white. Okay, then you turn out like that. Okay, that's a better example, I think. Okay, so now in this div we will be playing around with it now. So in this we can put another p tag, and then we can create it with different classes and different style. Okay, so that is your basic HTML thing. Okay, so for now let's just put a heading in it. H2, let's put a H2 in it. Sorry. Okay, and put heading 2. What's going on here? Okay, so there's a heading 2 there. Sorry, I do not know what's happening over here. Then let's put some HR. HR. Okay, save it. Come back. It's still gonna be in the div. The HRs. Okay. Let me just reopen this. Close it, reopen it. I think something got crashed or something. Okay. Wait, we need to open it with another application, text editor, select, and then yes, that's better now. Okay, so here it is, and then we can also put a p tag. Yes, so let's just put a p tag here, p, and in this tag let's do some different tricks like with a u tag. Like let's put different things like we just need a u tag, and we can put this is a u tag, and then we'll put a br, and we'll put a I tag. This is an I tag. Okay, and one more. Let's do another br, and let's do a b tag. By the way, I'm not making all these up, so there are specific tags. Okay, now let's close it. Yes, I think it should be happy now. So as you can see, the different attributes, and if I ignore the br, like yes, can you comment it out? No, you can't. Okay, so let me just delete out the br tags. Okay, I'll show you what happens without. It all comes like that. Okay, so let's just add them back on. Okay, yes, so that is basically how it works. So you can do more tricks with this. You can also do font family. I'll explain that in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Feel free to comment on what I should do next, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.